So I once again invite you all to this special session on demand. Many people having still the doubt. It is our responsibility to clear the air, because every time I appear and clear the doubts, people are not getting 100%. The reason being they are of different backgrounds. Some people holding or possessing foreign qualifications, some people having some Indian institute. They don't know about the veracity of the proof they hold, and they are not sure about whether they will be admitted in the court in case of any complaints by the patients or the competitor. I can call whoever complaining against you, your practice, merely a competitor, nothing more than that. Because everybody just like you, they are also playing their roles as a part and parcel of the medical fraternity. You are also doing the same. Then why the complaint arises? Because of the competition. And the competition is now taking the ugly route that one practitioner, one segment of practitioner calling the other segment of practitioner as quack, which is not justifiable in the court also. But the matter is not going to the court. Who is ready to take them to the court? Because you yourself, if I am right, not having confidence about your certification. That is why I am here. So you discuss with me which kind of certification can be possible to be admitted in the court of law, so that you will be feel foolproof practice and also peaceful practice. So here I can see a couple of people known to me and some new people also there. So I will start with this general understanding. Any certification for a doctor, a dentist, a medical professional, you cannot have a loose degree like diploma, PG diploma and all, because PG diploma and diploma and all can be given only by the university. And here there is no university course with respect to cosmetology, unless and until they have a special permission passed in the Ministry of Higher Education of the concerned state. As long as UGC is concerned, it is not having any such paper. If they are having cosmetology as their own paper, then there should be a net exam be conducted by them. So it is obvious and clear, crystal clear, there is no such subject available in the university. So you cannot have a PG diploma or diploma. These are the nomenclatures used by the university. Secondly, you cannot have a PG, because there is no PG in cosmetology. Neither dentistry, nor in dermatology, nor in any other medical field, there is no PG, MD or MS or MDS. So you cannot have such a degree. So what is the available qualification? That is one and only the fellowship. Because fellowship is the very, very genuine form of upgrading yourself, provided there is a catch that fellowship should be awarded by a council, any council. Let it be government council, private council, approved by government, any name, but the name council should be with the knowledge of the government. You cannot call yourself as a council and land you also and your students also into trouble. So why I am saying this? Because there is a notification by Medical Council and Dental Council that universities cannot conduct a fellowship, because university fellowship is called as PhD. So here we are not discussing about PhD. So fellowship in the sense, if you are pertaining to the meaning of the upskilling, you should be aware of the fact that no university, no college, no dental college, medical college can award you a fellowship in this format, upskilling format. Only PhD is allowed under UGC by a university or affiliated college to give you the fellowship. So to you consider your certification, whether it is carrying a, which banner it is being awarded to you. And regarding the foreign universities, foreign authorities, foreign associations, foreign councils, foreign academies, there is no chance of getting into the fellowship, because foreign universities degrees are not valid. Not valid in India. That is categorically told by our Medical Council and Dental Council. Even UGC had clearly stated that there is no foreign qualification available in the country, in India. So you have to check your degree, whether it is authorized by India, Indian government, Indian court or not. So go and check in your clinic walls, which are all the certifications being hung by you, whether they are issued by Indian authorities or foreign authorities. If it is issued by Indian authorities, whether it is an institute or academy or just signed by a mentor, you have to clarify it. So any doubts, whoever participating here? can raise or they can type in the chat box. So may I know what is your background? Like, I could understand today's discussion is about how to practice legally the cosmetic procedures being a non-dermat, because there is no such law in the country as long as it is categorically mentioned by the Government of India, Medical Council or related councils that only dermatologists can practice cosmetology, because there is no exclusive jurisdiction given to will it be valid if certificate is issued by institute or academy? See, the institute or academy can issue a certificate of attendance that so-and-so person attended our trainings, our lectures, our symposium, our conference, and they have gained some knowledge. They can even conduct hands-on training, but that certification is not giving you an authority to practice. Why? Because there are n number of certifications can be given to you in your entire professional lifetime. You can decorate your clinical wall, your clinic wall into variety of certifications. There is no issues, but that particular certification should give you a authority to practice cosmetology. That can be given only by the council, professional regulator. If medical council is giving you that authority, well and good, you take it. If they are not giving, then you cannot take it. So you have to find the particular council which is authorized to give you the endorsement. Tomorrow, if anybody questioning your skills, that particular council who is endorsing you should come and produce a certificate of identification, a certification of validity into the court, so that you will be treated as a skilled person. Otherwise, you are a quack. That is not told by me or our people. It is the propagation, it is the propaganda spread by the competitors. Whoever affecting because of your practice, they are known as competitors, and they are trying to nab you under the guise of you are practicing something is illegal, so you are a quack. So how come your institute or academy issued certification will give you this foolproof authority? Definitely not. So you contact your university or authority to identify a particular regulator like COCTRASI. Now the COCTRASI is also associated with one association, DFACTIA, and one forum. So listen to me carefully, that what I am meaning to say is there should be a 3 layers of protection: one association, one council, one forum. Council to give you the endorsement. So and so doctor is well versed with the procedures pertaining to cosmetology. It is not covered under dermatology. So they are not practicing dermatology. They are not quack. That is for the council to say. So your institute or academy should approach the council. If they are not willing to do that, you can directly approach the council, COCTRASI. So today, whoever called you for this meeting, you approach them. They will give you the link how to directly get the council endorsement. A fellowship can be endorsed by a council. Institute or academy cannot issue a fellowship. They can issue a certificate of attendance. They have attended these many days, these many course. They can issue a course completion, but they cannot give you a fellowship. Fellowship can be awarded by a council only or any professional regulator. For formal degrees, medical council, dental council, nursing council, pharmacy council, bar council, they are all giving they are endorsing your college or university education. But these kind of courses, cosmetology, there is no formal degree. So for that, you should find a council. So that is COCTRASI, one council. And what is an association? The association should endorse you. Yes, they are all with us. They are our members. They are not malpracticing. They are not into any quackery. Like that, they also should endorse, and that association should be approved by the council again. So it is a tie-up. One council, one association. So what council? Let me type in the chat box for the newcomers. The council name is, the short form is COCTRASI. that is Council of Cosmetology, Trichology, Regenerative Aesthetic Science of India. And the association is DFACTIA. If you are a dentist, if you are a Ayurvedic, Yoga, Unani, Siddha and all, that is another association is there, AAPPC. So check with your person who called for this meeting, the expansions. And one forum, one council, one association and one forum. What is the forum? That is Medico Legal Forum. Why this forum? Because tomorrow if you are landed in the court, so the forum will endorse you. And the forum is also approved by the council. So I think I have clarified the triple layer. So any doubt you can ask. What is triple layer? One council, one association, one forum. Then you can practice. The main reason is you could not produce an ample evidence to the court to come out of the quackery claim. That is the main issue here. So whatever the institute or academy or mentor issued certification is not going to save you, because that certification is even landing you in trouble, saying that how you are holding this certification without any authority of the council. They will put the question again. So that is the issue here. So if everybody understood, I can give you a time. You can raise your questions. Otherwise, you can go back to your invitee, whoever invited. Which all institute and academy, COCTRASI and DFACTIA certified? There are some institutes and academy. You can check the website. I cannot name all the institutes and academy. You ask, use, show your certification to this email ID. We can verify whether they are, because some institutes are now just approaching, like we need affiliation and they are in the process. So I should not tell they are not yet affiliated. So very sooner or later, every institute should come under COCTRASI. That is the natural outcome, because they cannot survive without the councils. So if you have any doubt, you can directly email regarding your institute or academy to the COCTRASI official email, and you can check with them. So the particular segment which is dealing with affiliation and all, they will tell whether your wherever you studied your institute or academy is under affiliated with COCTRASI or not. Even the institute and academy is not affiliated, you can directly affiliate yourself, because we cannot wait for the institute. Many institutes, they are not willing to affiliate because they don't want to come under any regulation. They want to sell out their papers and go away and wind up and go out of country also. I have heard some big institute owners are not even in India now. They already left the country because they cannot handle the legal issues. Think about everybody going for a refund. They cannot manage it, because their legal advisors are saying that just to show as if you are in India, just to go some marketing strategy, put ads in the Instagram, Facebook, just the ad is running, but they are missing. Many people are telling, like, there is some issue with my institute, my academy. They are not present in India, but their ads are going on. That is the strategy. Suddenly, if you stop something, everybody will go and catch them. So they cannot manage. Coming back to our original discussion. So the main game is whether you possess the proper certification to prove your skills or not. So beyond the certification, the issuing authority should have ample evidence before issuing the certification. So any doubts? Let me wind up. In 2 minutes, I will give you an introduction and wind up. The cosmetic practice in India is in crossroads now, because whoever practicing cosmetology, they are wrongly treated as they are practicing dermatology, and they are facing anti-quackery laws complained by the dermatological associations, joining hands with the medical council and conducting the raids and filing FIRs. So being a practitioner, being a cosmetic practitioner, what you can do is you have to protect yourself And whoever claiming that you are practicing quackery or you are practicing dermatology wrongly, they are trying to implicate you, means you have to be safeguarding your practice. And you can check with your institute or academy and tell them that the certificates issued by you, whether it is foolproof to manage all these raids and FIRs. If they are not giving you the proper reply, come to the council, COCTRASI, go for the triple layer protection, one council, one association, one forum. The council is COCTRASI, the association is DFACTIA for dentists, and AAPPC for Ayush, and other people contact the council only. One council, one association, and one forum. The forum is Medico Legal Forum. So that tomorrow, if somebody blaming you as if you are practicing quackery, you are not qualified to do the practice, then the forum will be endorsing you in the court, in the consumer forum, in the criminal charges, in the inquiry. Even the inquiry is conducted by medical council. The forum will be representing you like you are not practicing any pathology, any dermatology, but you are practicing only cosmetic procedures. So somebody should tell. You cannot tell yourself, because the respondent, then accused, cannot, whatever they say, they won't be listening. Any authority in the inquiry, you cannot protect yourself. You have to depend on an association and council and forum. So this is called a triple layer protection. Lifetime is available. You can join as a member regardless of your fellowship. If you want to take fellowship also, you can join COCTRASI. After becoming a lifetime member, you can get the fellowship very easily. You can get the entry. So that is all today. Any doubts, questions, you can shoot here, or you can contact me WhatsApp, or you can contact whoever invited you to this meeting. So shall we wind up? Say yes or no. Whoever willing to have this record of this meeting, you can take it from the concerned person who invited you for this meeting. So that's all today. Thank you. Good evening and goodbye.